Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to implement this outline system that support many different outline colors. So as you can see here, we have red, green, blue, dark blue, pink, white, many different colors. So basically, I can change the color using this on the character. I am using this custom depth stencil value. So here focus on this character, and if I change the stencil value to 1, it becomes this green, 2 blue, 3 dark blue, like that. So this is the system that I have implemented, and also of course you can see the two other objects as well. So yeah, this system is based on the outline material I have worked on over 3 more tutorials. This one, Unreal Engine 5 outline effect, and then multicolored outlines, and part 2 improvement. So I'll leave to these episodes in the description of the video. You can watch them. And now I will show you. As of the last episode, I was only able to make it work with 2 different outline colors, but now we have many different colors. So I'm going to show you that step today. Before we get started, let me remind you that you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects I have done from my Patreon page. Link would in the description below. Once you become a member, you can download any of these projects without any limits. Right, now back to the tutorial. So this is as of the last episode of this series, where I can have only 2 different colors. So if I open that material, it looks like this. I have explained each of these steps that I have taken in order to get this outline colors. So here you can see these are the 2 colors that I have right now, and I am driving those colors based on the stencil value. Here I choose one character, you can see stencil like this, and this is post-process material which I am using, in case you don't remember, with the post-process volume. Here I have assigned it to under post-process materials like this, MPP outline. This is the material I am using for post-processing. Okay, now next step is, instead of just 2 colors, how to have multiple colors. To do that, I have created this texture which contains 10 different colors in same size cells. So I'm gonna use this texture as a lookup table. It's just a texture here, and using this texture I'm gonna have different outline colors. And how to do that, it's like this. First thing you should understand is here, let me explain. So as you can see here, I have 10 different colors. So let me just display this color. So it's like this. And if I get a texture coordinate, and if I multiply this by 0.1 and connect here, now you see it's red. That's because that is this first cell, red. So if I, because by using the scale 0.1, this is enlarged 10 times, and when I do that, I only see one of these cells. So that's what happened in here. But if I add an offset, so here offset along the y direction doesn't matter, only x direction matters. If I make it 0.1, here you can see now it's green. That means second cell. 3, blue, third cell. So like that. So if I keep this part here like this, and if I can derive this offset using this stencil values here, for example, if I am using the stencil value, let's say 3, and if I can get that 3 as 0.3 into here, I should be able to make this character's outline blue. So here I am calculating or determining the stencil value through this logic. So the reason that we have 3 different nodes to determine the stencil value is because here we are working with outlines. So I think I have explained the logic. Actually, I did explain the logic. So what I'm doing here is when I consider a pixel, I consider surrounding pixels as well to determine the edge of the object, because that's how I am drawing the outline. So that's why you always see these 3 nodes with the custom depth and custom stencil value as well. Right, now here instead of this mask R, so here what I'm getting is this stencil value. It can be anything between 0 and 255. So now value is going to be in between 0 and 255, and right now I only need to make it work with 10 different colors. So I'm going to use values between 0 and 10, so 0 to 9. So if I multiply this by 0.1, then when I put 1 here, I will get 0.1. Okay, and I'm going to use it like this. So when I have 0, well, it's going to be 0, it's going to be red. Okay, now instead of showing the color itself, let me switch this back, and here instead of the color that I have taken through this if, let me put it like this. Apply. Now you see we do get the colors, but they are kind of mixed up. See, it's not only one color, the outline, they have like a range of colors. So what happens here is they kind of get mixed up with these adjacent colors. So I figured that instead of just adding here, because I was using this logic with the previous method, so here instead of doing this addition, let me just delete this and get the max of these 3 max values. So we will always consider the highest stencil value for these pixels that we consider. When I do that, see, now I get a uniform color. That's basically all you have to do. And now we have multiple different colored outlines, and it works with any object. Here if I change to 5, if I change this to 1, you see it's green. 5, it's white, that's why it's not visible. 6, pink, I think, I don't know. So yeah, you see. So yeah, that's how you add multiple different outline colors. Alright, so thanks for watching. Updated project files will be available here. and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. See you in some other tutorial. Goodbye.